Hello, this is Jessica, the Bay State College librarian, and today I'm going to give you an overview on the Bay State College Library website. So from the Student Quick Links tab, we're going to click on Library. And the first thing I'd like you to notice is that here on the right-hand side, there is a blog called Latest from the Library, and this is where I'll post any information about, let's say, a resource not working or the library closing due to weather. If you're wondering when someone's going to get back to you because you've sent an email or left a voice message for us, here are our hours. And the first thing that we're going to look at is Find Articles, the Find Articles tab. So the library subscribes to a number of different databases. Today we're just going to look at ProQuest Academic because it happens to fall at the top of the list, but as you can see there are many others. Now, the databases allow us to search thousands of magazines, journals, and newspapers electronically. A lot of times students will say to me, well, why can't we just use Google or Google Scholar? And of course, we all love Google and Google Scholar, but a lot of the articles are not available for free on there. And so we use the databases in order to get access to these journals that can cost thousands of dollars. Now the next thing I'd like to point out is that when you are off campus, which all of you are there in Middleborough, you want to make sure that you click on the link that says click this link to access these databases from off campus. This is very important. So you're going to click on this link and then you'll log in with your full Bay State email and email password. Now since I'm on the Boston campus I don't need to do that, but I just want to reiterate that you must click on this link right here if you want to use these databases in Middleborough or at your house. Okay, so we're going to look at ProQuest. A lot of the things I'm going to show you about ProQuest can be transferred to any of the other databases. And keep in mind too that if you want more specific information on a particular database, there are YouTube tutorials beneath each database that go into more depth about that particular resource. Okay, so back to ProQuest. There are going to be a few things that you notice about the way I search in ProQuest. The first is that I'm going to pick a research topic off the top of my head. Let's say that I want to look at physical therapy for people who have served in the military. What's important is that whatever my question is that I break it down into the concepts that are related to my question. So I'm not going to say, what kind of physical therapy should we give military personnel who have served in Afghanistan? We want to break that down into its concepts. So we'll try physical therapy. And I'm going to put that in quotes because I want that search together. And military and Afghanistan. And you have to spell everything right or you will not get any results. Okay, so those are my concepts that I want to search. Now I'm also going to check off these two check boxes below. So full text means that it's going to eliminate any of the abstracts that are going to be included into your search results. And an abstract is just a summary. So if you don't have time to request interlibrary loan, which you would do by emailing me the full citation of the article that you want, if you don't have time for that, then I suggest selecting full text because it will eliminate all of those abstracts from your search results and just give you results that have the full text available. Now I also recommend that you select peer-reviewed. Another term for peer-reviewed is scholarly. Now this means that the articles only come from scholarly journals that have articles that were reviewed by other people in the field and vetted and make sure that they were accurate. Okay, so I have my search terms, I have full text and peer-reviewed selected. Now I'm going to run my search. Okay, so now you can see that a lot of my results look good. If I find one that I really like, let's say advancing the evidence base and rehabilitation for military personnel and veterans, here is the full text. As we talked about, you can email the article, you can print the article, and very cool is that you can cite the article. So you click Cite and then you choose either MLA or APA and your citation is generated for you. Okay, so like I said, most of the databases operate in this way, but check out the YouTube tutorials if you want more information on how to use, Cinol or Gale or any of the others that we have here. Okay, I also want to point out very quickly the Cite Your Sources tab. Hopefully all of you have learned in your English class, or your other classes for that matter, that citing your sources is very important. Plagiarism is taken very seriously at the college. Anything that is not your own thoughts, words, or ideas needs to be cited. That's the bottom line. So to help you with that, we have some MLA handouts or APA handouts, depending on which style your professor wants you to use. I also provide links to citation tools that are online that generate citations for you. And here are a couple links to some citation managers. If you only use your own computer and you're pretty tech savvy, you might want to download one of these citation managers to your own computer, and it will help you manage all of your citations and all the articles that you're collecting. And don't forget about the Pocket Handbook that you had to purchase for your English class, and also the fact that the databases, most of them do generate a citation for you. So that should come in handy, and there should be no excuse for any of you not citing your sources properly with all these resources that are available these days in helping you cite your sources. Okay, lastly, I just want to point out the Contact the Library tab. There's a lot of different ways to get in contact with us. There are 2 different phone numbers, one for the main desk, one my direct line. There's 2 email addresses, one to the library email account and one to my personal account at the college. There's also a text number if you want to text us a question, and you can also chat with us, as you can see in this bottom right hand corner. Okay, well that is the quick tutorial of the library webpage. I hope to hear from all of you. Although I won't see you in person very often, I hope that you get in contact with me, whether it be through email, phone, chat, or text, and I'm here to help you with any of your research needs. Thanks and have a great day.